Hey, hello guys, welcome back to Global Education Zone. And today in this first episode of our short course for Python beginners. So we are going to be dealing with a short course, as I said earlier, and this short course is going to be for Python beginners. Now, this short course is going to consist of a few episodes, and it's going to be very much practical. We have a lot of things to cover. So right now, I'm in a Python editor interface, and this editor I'm using now is an Android editor. So this is an Android editor. So for those of you who don't have a laptop, or who don't know how to code using a laptop, you can always make use of your cell phone to code Python. So it's not a limitation. So I've come across people who tell me they can't code because they don't have laptop. So there's this popular misconception that once you don't have a laptop you can't do anything in tech, but actually that's wrong. You can read PDFs, you can study, you can also study how to code. You also have to read how to code, and then it is more efficient, in my opinion, to read and to study programming using a phone than a laptop, because laptop has a wider screen and extends more energy. So if you are trying to save energy, you should probably use your smartphone to read and then use your laptop to practice. But then even at that, you can still use your phone to practice, and that is what I'm going to be doing today. And in this course, we are going to be talking about a couple of things. Just sit tight, you are going to enjoy this course. So thanks for watching this intro video, and we look forward to a much bright experience in this short course for Python beginners.